Welcome back to my channel. I am Richa Mundhra for all those who are new here, and I make videos in travel, lifestyle, fashion and so much more. So please hit that subscribe button and join the fam. So for today's challenge, like this week's challenge, I actually went ahead and challenged myself a lot. So what I did was I went ahead and contacted 4 content creators. Some of them have a YouTube channel, some of them don't, some of them are just content creators on Instagram. I asked them to choose meals of my day. This video is completely inspired by what Mridul did on her channel like some days ago. So that is what I challenged myself into. I will link Mridul's वीडियो इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. इन सारे चैलेंजेस के बीच में मैंने एक और चैलेंज लिया जो बहुत ही बड़ा चैलेंज है मेरे लिए. वो ये था कि ये जो सारा खाना है ना जो मुझे खाना है, आई कांट ऑर्डर इट फ्रॉम आउटसाइड और आई कांट आस्क माई मॉम टू मेक. तो ये सब मुझे बनाना है. So without any further ado, let's get started. I will not show a lot of my cooking क्योंकि वरना वीडियो बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा, क्योंकि मैं बहुत टाइम लेती हूँ कुक करने में. मैं आराम से कुक करती हूँ थोड़ा सा, तो वीडियो बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा. तो I'll not show, I'll just show glimpses of here and there. And let's get started for breakfast. For the breakfast, I asked that thick high wanderer. मैं सबके Instagrams और YouTube links नीचे डाल दूँगी. Priyanka. So Priyanka and I have been following each other since a year now, and I thought I'll ask her, and I did, and I asked her to choose my breakfast, and here's what she chose.
Hello everyone, so my name is Priyanka and today I'm going to decide Richa's breakfast and I'm very excited for it. So Richa's breakfast will be like traditional Delhi ka breakfast. It has to be chole bhature and sweet lassi. I personally love chole bhature and Delhi mein rehkar to it is like ki chole bhature is jaan. So I think I want Richa to try chole bhature and lassi for the breakfast, and I think she can replace lassi with the chai, coffee or any juice, whatever she likes to have in the morning, because I think that would be a little too much because chole bhature is heavy in itself also. So yeah, that's it. I'm so excited to see you having chole bhature for breakfast. Oi.
So as you saw, Priyanka chose छोले भटूरे for my breakfast with लस्सी. लस्सी तो मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगी क्योंकि ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए छोले भटूरे ही is enough. So I don't think I'll have lassi. I'll have coffee or something with it, or just plain water. But छोले भटूरे बनाते हैं हम in a second. I look like this because it's early in the morning and I have to make छोले भटूरे. और yep, you saw what Priyanka gave me. So I'm making chole bhature for breakfast. हमारे छोले चढ़ चुके हैं. We have the bhatura का dough ready, and now we're gonna make the masala of chole. Masala? Gravy of chole.
And you've seen me in this setup for the first time. Hi.
This is how my breakfast looks. और मैंने आज बहुत ही अच्छा काम किया. ये भटूरे बहुत सॉफ्ट बने. Good job, Richa. बहुत ही tasty बनाया. I'll finish them and I'll meet you during lunch. Okay, for the lunch, I asked Dinesh, HYD Foodie, to pick up my lunch. And he's a food blogger and a food YouTuber as well. So I'll link his YouTube down below. And let's see what he chooses.
Hi guys, my name is Dinesh and I go by the channel name HYD Foodie on YouTube and Instagram as well. So Richard asked me to set up a lunch menu for today and I would be choosing stuffed Karela with steamed rice and along with South Indian sambar. So Richa, I feel this will be a bit challenging to you to prepare South Indian sambar and stuffed Karela as well. So let's see how do you pull it off and all the best.
So he chose Karela. I have never in 27 years of my life have had Karela. So let's see मैं साउथ इंडियन सांबर कैसे बना पाती हूँ या नहीं बना पाती हूँ, बिकॉज साउथ इंडियन सांबर इज़ ऑल्सो समथिंग दैट आई हैव नॉट ट्राइड, बट लेट्स सी. और पता नहीं घर में सबको पसंद आएगा भी कि नहीं, बट दैट इज़ द चैलेंज. लेट्स गो. इट्स लंच टाइम. सॉरी फॉर द ऑडियो, धुलाई चल रही है तो कुछ कर नहीं सकते. एंड आई एम फर्स्ट टाइम मेकिंग एंड ईटिंग स्टफ्ड करेला. आई हैव नेवर डन दैट इन माय लाइफ. तो मैंने इनिशियल प्रिपरेशन कर ली है. दिस इज़ हाउ आई हैव मेड द स्टफ एंड रोल्ड एंड केप्ट इट लाइक दैट. एंड आई ऑल्सो हैव माई साउथ इंडियन सांबर के लिए सांबर पाउडर रेडी. दैट ऑल्सो हैज़ टू बी मेड फ्रॉम स्क्रैच. दैट दिस इज अ चैलेंज. So yeah, I'm gonna make it and show you in bits and pieces here and there and eat it and tell you was it challenging enough.
A few moments later.
So we are finally set with the food. We have sambar, we have karela and we have rice. The reason why I took so less is because I am eating karela for the first time in life. So I just don't want to waste it. But घर वाले बहुत खाते हैं, मैंने कभी खाया नहीं है. ये ना ये सबसे चैलेंजिंग पार्ट था. सांबर राइस with karela was challenging. Here we go. God challenge. This is cooked by me, so I'm cooking it for the first time. It's tasty. Sambar rice is tasty. That I can have. I'm still dreading the Karela part of it. On national, I'm eating Karela for the first time. Sorry guys, I just don't like the taste of Karela. It's too bitter. I've added sugar, but it's still too bitter. I think I'll stick to my sambar rice. HYD Foodie. This was definitely a challenge. I don't think I'll be able to finish that Karela, but I will eat my sambar rice and happily move on to the next challenge. For snacks, I asked Janvi. She's also a YouTuber and an Instagrammer, and I asked her to pick up my snacks between lunch and dinner. And let's see what she chooses.
Everyone, hi Richa. Thank you so much for making me part of this video. So I would like you to have any form of chaat. It can be bhel, it can be chana chor garam. So hope you will love this mid snack between the lunch and dinner. And thank you once again for making me part of this.
So I think what Janvi chose is the easiest of all the four. Yeah, I'm thinking I'll have bhel, or I can have chanachur chaat also. But I don't think I have chanachur at home, so I think I'll go and have bhel. और अगर bhel का सामान नहीं होगा तो we have those 1 minute preparation वाली bhels at home, so we can try that as well. Let's see what we have. So I'm back and मुझे खानी थी भेल, बट ना घर में मूड ही नहीं थी, तो मैंने थोड़ी सी चीटिंग कर ली है. तो वी हैड दिस भेल का जो मिक्सचर होता है, जो पैकेट्स में आता है, जिसमें चिवड़ा वगैरह सब मिक्सड होता है, उस पर दही, नमक, मसाले वगैरह डाल के, थोड़ी सी धनिया पत्ती डाल के मैंने वही बना लिया, बिकॉज ऑप्शन नहीं था कुछ और मुझे भेल खानी थी. एंड या इफ़ यू वंडरिंग कि ये मेकअप लुक कहाँ से देखा है, तो ये मेकअप लुक इंस्टाग्राम पे है. थैंक यू सो मच जानवी कि मुझे भेल खाने का ऑप्शन मिला, मैंने बहुत टाइम से नहीं खाई थी. सो लेट्स जस्ट पुट अ टाइम लैप्स एंड ईट दिस भेल. Now for dinner, I asked Born to Taste Food to choose my dinner, and she was very kind. She chose the most healthiest dinner of all times, and you can hear what she chooses just about now.
Hello guys, this is Ravali from Born to Taste Food. As you know, Richa is doing food challenges, so I am going to challenge her to have quinoa salad for her dinner today.
Okay, so that is, I'll go and have dinner. I'll go and prepare quinoa salad and then have dinner. And yeah, meet you in a bit.
A few moments later.
So it's dinner time, and I was asked to make quinoa salad, and this is how I made it. I didn't have a lot of ingredients, so मुझे capsicum, quinoa and धनिया पत्ती से काम चलाना पड़ा. Let's taste and see कि मैंने ये कैसे बनाया है. I'm guessing अच्छा ही बनाया होगा. हाँ मैंने थोड़ा सा लेमन ज़्यादा डाल दिया, बट it's good. So I'm gonna watch something. Usually I watch Friends while I am eating, so I'll watch Friends and I'll finish the salad. Let's go to the outro. Thank you so much guys for watching this challenge, and now we call it a day. मैं usually dinner के बाद कुछ नहीं खाती हूँ जब तक मैं और मेरी बहन बैठ के टाइम पास नहीं करने लग जाते और हमें रात को भूख ना लग जाए. So that was it for the day. Thank you so much to the four of you for contributing and choosing such amazing dishes for me. I totally enjoyed the challenge. And I get to eat Karela, so Dinesh, उसका बदला मैं ज़रूर लूँगी तुमसे once I'm back in Hyderabad. But yeah, thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up and share this video. Do this video with someone and comment down और subscribe कर दो यार. And बस until next time, bye.